Today, we're here with the Motts team to talk about their experiences with mega open houses.
Welcome to your Money Monday.
My first experience at a mega open house, all I can say is kaboom. I never saw anything like it. The amount of people that came around, and ever since then, I'm just totally amazed how it really works.
Our mega open houses are awesome. If you're looking to hold an open house and only generate a couple buyers through in a couple hours, please don't call us. But if you're looking to hold a mega open house and generate lots of qualified buyers in a short period of time, give us a call today.
In my experience with the Motts team mega open houses, we put out 12 to 15 directional signs so that people can lead the way to the open house. We put out 1,200 to 1,500 postcards that we advertise the open house so everyone in the area knows about it. And then we also put up between 8,000 and 18,000 boosts on social media so that everyone can see and everyone knows about the open house.
Also, we put out thousands of emails to consumers, two 20-foot sky dancers out in the front yard, and our huge open house flags out in the front yard, plus our exclusive balloon sign system. It creates competition between the customers and realtors. The last mega open house we had, it had 4 realtors and their customers come through and created 3 full price multiple offers. Call us today about our mega open house system.